What's inside? Open box 1, what do we see?
Surprise!
It's a busy bee. Open box 2, shake it around.
Look! 2 bunnies hop on the ground.
Open box 3, lift the top. Wow!
3 balloons that never stop.
Open box 4, pull the string. Yay! 4 birds that love to sing. Open box 5, peek inside.
Whoa!
5 fish on a water slide.
Wait, 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 wait!
All the boxes start to shake.
Jump, 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 bounce, bounce, bounce.
What comes next? Let's count and pounce. Open box